All right, the Dow had a good day today. Continued up. Thing is, right now, MACD is just kind of flat, and we have to see if we can kind of get a higher low and then continue to the upside. Weekly chart, we can see that we're currently at a hammer off of the 10, so we'll see how that goes. But again, the price action, besides this little dip below, has been very tight so far. So we have to see how this week is going to close out and take it from there. Composite looks much better. Today it's breaking out above to these new highs and continuing on the weekly. Daily it gapped up. You had a powerful move in Apple as well today. MACD curling up, so that one looks good as well. Russell 2000 gapped up and closed up for the day. Weekly again looking good, bounced off the 10 and continued to go to the upside. SP 500 again, on the weekly action, we see we have this sideways movement, but let's see if we can have some consolidation or some movement to the upside. Looking to approach these highs, and let's see if we can continue to the upside. Let's look at some names. Apple gapped up. We see we have some resistance that is coming to, so let's see if we can get a nice little dip and then push past these numbers. This 560 number. Facebook, see that we're still at this resistance point right here. I don't know if you even want to call this a triple, but a double top that we said from yesterday. So we kind of have to see how that goes. It looked like it was bouncing above, but then pretty much it faded, and you can see basically off the 30-minute, the hourly, that actually I like using 30-minute. The hourly, we see we tapped this a couple times, even during the open. It pretty much tapped it and then faded to the downside. So we have to see how that one really plays out. Johnson & Johnson has a lot of tight action, but you can see that it's hit this numerous times, got above it, then faded back, and now it's testing it again. So let's see if this one really can have some movement, but you see some really tight price action. Remember, at one point this was a full green candle today. Tiffany, we can see we might be just having a flag, and if it breaks below this 86, 85 level, we could definitely come and fill this gap. So keep that one on your watch list as well. Another one that looking weak is Lumber Liquidators. It's been trading sideways for this for a while now. So, but now it's coming, and basically so far it's at the 10 and it's looking to roll back over. Maybe it could come test this lower level as well. And if I look on the daily, you have the 200 around the 93 level, so that's still a significant move to the downside if we get some movement back down. Starbucks again could be flagging for some more downside. Nike could be flagging for some more downside. Adobe looked really good, did well today. You have YY, that one has been moving good since this, and this thought this was going to be a false breakout, but ended up giving some 5% move today, so that's pretty good. You got Lowe's, looks like it could be breaking down. You got Microsoft, actually from the piercing pattern that I said yesterday on the video, it moved up almost 3% today, so that could have been a really good move for some people. We got Lockheed Martin, if it can break the highs of this day, could see some movement to the upside. Just be careful because this volume is waning, but the price action still looks good, so we have to see how that goes from there. You got Exxon Mobil, could be moving for more downside. We had the lower highs broke down below this previous level. That, I mean, you could actually move it down here and up here because it's numerous things, and then but at the end of the day, it looks like the price action is moving back to the downside. So we have to see if it can come and retest this 96 area. We got DirecTV did really well today, and let's see if it can continue higher. And now ServiceNow looks really good as well. Really bounced off that and gave some new highs as well. So maybe we could see some continuation for that. And pretty much you have clear skies on now as well. So meaning there's nothing above it that you really have to worry about. Twitter is now testing the it's testing the 10-day, but you can see this MACD needs to be curling up, and we kind of have this going on right here. So, you know, let's see how this plays out, and go from there, because right here, right now, you have this going on from this prior swing point, and you can see it's just pretty much been consolidating around this. So is it going to break up or break down? I don't know, but if it broke down below this 55.5 area, then it could be something to be concerning. So, and then of course you have the 50 area is the IPO high from there. So we'll see how it goes from there. But again, please comment if you have anything that you want me to look at. Please let me know. I mean, that's how I get feedback. If you want to see something, just leave a comment and subscribe, and I will post it on here. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a commodity, it could be Forex, it could be the equities market, whatever. As long as it has a chart, I can really do the analysis and kind of give you a second opinion on it. So it's really important to make this, you know, worthwhile, because this is what I love to do. So I'm sharing this information. Hopefully it's helping to build some of you guys technical analysis skills. And if you have any questions, let me know. Take care.